Welcome back to Studio 3. Joining me today is Courtney Bastilos from Chic Execs, and today we're talking all things Thanksgiving. It's right around the corner. Courtney, thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you for having me, Sarah. So happy to wake up with you guys today.
Oh my gosh, and we have some great stuff to talk about if we're getting ready for Thanksgiving, like so many of us are. Okay, we've talked about Lift chocolates in the past for Halloween, but I have some amazing stuff in front of me for Thanksgiving. These mini turkeys, as well as this incredible giant turkey chocolate centerpiece.
I know you got the better end of this deal
gosh.
because I didn't get that centerpiece to check out, but I'm glad that you guys did because isn't that amazing? Lift chocolates, so amazing. Number one, because their ingredients are so simple and they're clean. That's kind of hard to find with treats and chocolates. I have some of the little ones up here. Make great gifts if you're looking to maybe bring your host or your hostess a gift for Thanksgiving this year. But obviously that centerpiece is pretty incredible and something different. I don't know about you, but I have never seen a chocolate centerpiece at my Thanksgiving table.
No, but this is something that is definitely going to be a conversation piece for family, friends. I mean, really, and you can even nibble on it, enjoy it afterwards. So it's not just...
I was just going to say your dessert will be right in front of you. Makes it easy, right?
Yes. But there's smaller ones too for those who are maybe like a little intimidated to bring the centerpiece.
Absolutely.
Which I wouldn't
and
be,
for
but...
the kids, yeah. The kids don't need the whole centerpiece, right?
Perfect for the kids' table. Okay, so if you are whipping up something for Thanksgiving, let's talk about my French recipe because I have some really neat stuff in front of me here too.
I am so excited about this one because it makes it really easy to bring a fabulous dessert, a fabulous plate. Everything inside of this. Now I know what you're thinking because I'm the same way. I don't want something store-bought. I want to try to be creative and do it all on my own. But what's great about this is all the ingredients in this, again, clean. I'm really into that. I'm really into teaching my kids that you can still have great desserts and great food and the ingredients can all be clean. So what I did is I brought this to your guys' attention today. It's the baking mix, only natural ingredients. I mean, it's on the box. What I love about this is my 9-year-old daughter, she's gotten really into cooking lately. And these have been a lifesaver because they make it really easy for her. So she knows, she doesn't have to read 20 different ingredients. It's all right there. And they make fabulous desserts. I would have made one this morning for you guys with my daughter, but it is a little early over here on the West Coast still.
You're a little earlier. And just for our viewers, the samples we have, just how incredible, the French pound cake, we have the French madeleines, we have a lava cake, and also crepes.
Yummy.
So just really fun stuff, and like you said, all natural.
Yes, definitely. A huge bonus there.
Okay. I told you I have actually put these wine whisks to the test. You may be enjoying a glass of wine at the Thanksgiving dinner table. So if you are, I'm telling you, a friend sent me a bottle of red wine that needed to, like I said, air out about 30-40 minutes. And instead, I used one of these wine whisks. I actually took a sip before, Courtney, and then tried it after. I'd kind of swirled it around. It was unbelievable, the difference.
Oh, I'm so excited to hear that because I've had the same experience. These are amazing. They just clip onto your wine glass. You can buy them in a little pack. What I also love about these, Sarah, is, sometimes at Thanksgiving, you set your wine glass down. You don't remember where you put it. You're not sure. Somebody else may have picked it up. What's great about these is you can actually get them in colors. So, for example, I have a red one right now. There's blue, there's green, there's yellow. So they can actually identify your wine glass so you know that you have the red aerator. But as you mentioned, it's so nice to have that option to aerate the wine. It just tastes a little bit better, especially with dinner. So these are a great option. You can put these on the rim of your glass and voila, it's very easy.
Also a great host gift as well for whoever's hosting. You can kind of, it's multi-purpose, a host gift, a marker for your wine glasses, and it does some good for your wine too.
I know. I love it. I love it.
Well, Courtney, thank you so much for joining us. Great ideas and suggestions for Thanksgiving. And hey, I am ready to eat.
Yes, me too. Me too. Thank you so much for having me. You guys have a great rest of your day.
You as well.